Hi, hello. Today I have a Valentine's Day look for you. I have done a very pink inspired love vibes. I have done a cut crease with a pink glittery heart eyeliner. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, of course, and make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today I have a Valentine's Day look here. I think I want to make the eyelid a little bit lighter, but I'll get to that when I get on this eye. So today is a day before Valentine's Day. Of course I upload mostly on Wednesdays and Sundays. I try to upload every Wednesday and Sunday anyway, but yeah, life is life, you know. Anyway, today I have obviously a Valentine's Day look. So yeah, we're just gonna go straight into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put some oh my god, I can't speak. Some sellotape on my eye, like so. And I'm going to be taking the Morphe and James Charles palette. Here, I always forget that I've got to do the base first, which is so annoying. So I'm going to take the Revolution cut crease canvas in Illustrate. I just watched the James Charles and Mario video and it was great. Yeah, very inspirational, very educational too. He's been doing it for 19 years. Makeup. Goals. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to use that base to carve out my eyebrows and also the base of my eyeshadow. Okay, so after that, I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette and where did I put that? There it is. I hate that the shades are on this sheet. I'd much rather it be on here, but whatever. I could write them myself, but I'm too lazy to do that. I'm going to take the like purpley pink shade, which is called Love That, and I'm going to pop that in the crease. There's no one home today, so that is great for me because I can be loud and I don't have to worry about noise. And then when I go out to the outer corner, I'm going to flick it a little bit. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with Skip, which is the bright pink shade, on a teeny tiny brush, and I'm going just above that shade, but blending them in together at the same time. I love doing this eye first because it's like a practice run for me. If it doesn't turn out, then I can just, if it doesn't turn out good, then I can just redo it. And I don't have to worry. Okay, so next I'm going to take the base again. That's pretty much it for the eyeshadow in the crease. I'm going to take the base again and cut that crease. Okay, so I've cut that crease. It actually didn't take me that long, surprisingly. So next I'm gonna take the shade Pinkety Drinkety. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Take the white in the palette. I'm not gonna put it up because it's just a white, you know. I'm gonna also put it on this eye because I didn't do it on that eye. Now I'm going to get more of that base, and I'm going to take like a liner brush and coat that with the concealer, and I'm going to make a line. I'm going to take Skip, the bright pink shade, on a small brush and pat that into where we just lined the wing. Now I'm going to do the glitter on the liner, which is the exciting part. So I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue. I was going to say the shade then, but it doesn't have a shade. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And the two glitters I'm going to go in with are from eBay. I did get them on like a deal, like a buy 3 get 3 free, and they're only like £1 each. And they are from a brand called Evil, however you say it. So yeah, I'm going to use these. I will link them down below so you can see what exactly I used, and also everything else I use on my face. Okay, so I finished this eye at the moment. Hopefully it looks quite good. I love the glitter eyeliner, it's stunning. But now I'm going to go off camera and do my base makeup because I want to do that for a different video. So yeah, I will be 2 seconds for you, but if you want to see that video, then when it's out I'll link it in the description box below and also in the eye as well, so keep an eye out. Make sure you're here on Sunday. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done my base makeup now. I'm going to do the lower lash line. I have applied my eyelashes. I applied the Eden lashes in E01 just because I wanted a simple lash so I can show off the eyeliner and the makeup on the eyelid. So yeah, that's why I've done a small lash. If you want to see what I've got on my base, then I will link the video up here. It is like a review kind of video. Okay, so I'm going to jump back into the Morphe palette, and I'm pretty much going to be taking the shades I took in the crease. I think I'm only going to be taking the shade Skip, which is the bright pink shade, and I'm going to sweep that all the way across. This is a nice easy look, as you can tell. that is all we're going to put on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with the inner corner highlight. I'm going to take the Soft as Nails palette, and I'm going to take this light shade here and mix a tiny bit of the pink shade just to get a little hint of pink, you know. On the brow bone as well, slightly. And then all we have to do is the mascara on the lower lashes. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. Now we're going to do lips. So I'm thinking of doing this lip colour, just a, you know, pink. This is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Diva, which is a very bright pink. Okay, so that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you have a really nice Valentine's Day tomorrow. If you are with someone, if you are single, whatever, go out and have some fun, you know? Whether you are single or in a relationship, whatever you are, let me know down below and enjoy, you know? Let me know what you think about this look down below in the comments, and I will make sure to answer. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. I really like the glittered wing. Glittered? Is that a word? The glitter wing. And yeah, even though I'm not a fan of pink, I really like pink looks. I really hope you enjoyed. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.